Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to deactivate your WhatsApp community. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Now I'll simply go to the community section right here, and these are the communities that I have created. Right now I want to disable this community named as Greg Test, so I'm simply gonna click on it right now. Once I've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Do you note that you can also add groups to this community from right here? Now let's focus on how to deactivate this community. At the top right here are the three buttons, simply click on it, and something like this will open up. Let's simply go to community info right now. Once you're in this page, you can invite others, add members, and add groups as well. Simply scrolling down, you can see something like edit community info, manage groups and everything. And if you look at the very bottom, you'll find these three options: exit community, report community, and deactivate community. Right now, as we want to deactivate this community, we're gonna select the last option that says deactivate community. Now it's gonna ask for our confirmation. Here are the few things that it has told: groups will be disconnected, announcement groups will be closed, community info will be deleted. Let's simply click on deactivate. Now it's gonna ask for our final confirmation. If you want to hit cancel, do it right now, else click on deactivate. Well guys, that's it. Our community has been successfully deactivated. That's how you deactivate a community in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.